awoken to gray pouring in my window at the sound of the tin sky slopping all over the ground. The sloppiness outside at first sounds as if it's coming from the other side, but where the toy car and tin pan sound. And if I go into that pouring sloppiness, that outside world silently slickened with persistent sound of tinned beans spilling into breakfast, slopping onto the dull tin plate under the dull tin sky, how can I keep clean?